Hello everyone, it's Rhiannon here. Since our company is called Welsh National Opera, we thought we'd teach you a Welsh song. This song is called Ar Lan y Môr, which means beside the sea, and it's a very well-known Welsh folk song. We're going to start by teaching you the main tune. The words of the first line go like this. Ar lan y môr mae rhosys cochion, which means beside the sea there are red roses. The tune goes like this. Ar lan y môr mae rhosys cochion. Let's try it after 3. 1, 2, 3. Ar lan y môr mae rhosys cochion. Very good. The second line is exactly the same tune as the first line, but the words are slightly different. The words are Ar lan y môr mae lilies gwynion. Beside the sea there are white lilies. Let's go straight in. 1, 2, 3. Ar lan y môr mae lilies gwynion. Very good. The third line is slightly different. The words are Ar lan y môr mae pob rhinweddau. Beside the sea there are all of the beautiful things. And it goes like this. Ar lan y môr mae pob rhinweddau. So as you can hear, the pitch now goes down this time. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Ar lan y môr mae pob rhinweddau. And the final line goes like this. Ar lan y môr mae'n nghariad inne. Beside the sea is my dearest love. And the tune goes. Ar lan y môr mae'n nghariad inne. Just watch that first jump. Ar lan y môr. Okay, let's try. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Ar lan y môr mae'n nghariad inne. Excellent work. Now, here's Zoe and Dyfed singing the whole tune through for you to join in. Good luck. Zoe and Dyfed. So remember, if you'd like to sing the tune, follow Zoe and Dyfed through the piece. Now here's Jenny to teach us the harmony lines.
Thanks Rhiannon, I'm Jenny and I'm going to teach you the 2 harmony parts for this arrangement of Ar lan y môr. Unlike the other 2 videos in this series, the harmony parts aren't ostinatos, they're independent harmony parts, which means they're tunes in their own right that fit alongside the original tune. We're going to start off with the lower part, which goes like this. Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Let's have a go at that together. Here we go. Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Now, as you'll have noticed, there's a really long note at the end of that phrase, so make sure you take a really good breath at the beginning, keep your shoulders nice and relaxed, and use your tummy to keep that air travelling right to the end of the phrase. That line happens twice. Let's do it twice together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and... Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Fantastic. The next line sounds like this. Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Let's have a go at that line together. Ready? 2, 3, and. Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Fantastic. And then we stay on the note we've just used. Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Let's have a go at that last line. Here we go. Ready? And. Ar lan y môr, ar lan y môr. Amazing. Let's listen to Sian sing that part the whole way through. Thanks, Sian. If you'd like to sing that part in the whole performance, keep an eye on Sian and stick with her throughout. I'm now going to teach you the top part, which goes like this. Ar lan y môr. Let's have a go at that together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ar lan y môr. Brilliant. Now you can see that the same kind of long notes happen at the end of the phrase. This time they're a little bit higher, so you'll need lots of air and you'll need to keep that tummy working to keep the air travelling right to the end of the phrase. Also, just be careful because it's a little bit higher that you don't try and find those top notes with your chin. Keep your head nice and relaxed, and as long as you take a good deep breath, you'll be absolutely fine. Now that line happens 3 times, so we'll sing it 3 times together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ar lan y môr. Ar lan y môr. Ar lan y môr. And then there's one more line to finish off that particular part, which goes like this. Ar lan y môr. Let's have a go at that one. Ready? 2, 3. Ar lan y môr. Excellent. You've now learned all the things that you need to know to join in with us for our performance of Ar lan y môr. If you'd like to sing the tune, join in with Zoe and Diwedd. If you'd like to sing the lower part, join in with Sian. And if you'd like to sing the upper part, sing along with me. The way that the structure works is the piano has a small introduction and then the 2 harmony parts happen together all the way through to their end. Then Zoe and Diwedd sing the whole of the verse without the harmonies at all. Then there's a sneaky little key change, which means it just gets a tiny bit higher, and then all 3 parts happen together. Have a great time.